What's the biggest difference between the Swan method and all the other methods out there?
It's more flawless. Like I said, unseen bead and unseen thread. I feel like the top and bottom is more flawless and it looks cleaner.
I looked around at different methods and everything was just really expensive. And it wasn't anything that was like, oh, I want to pay this much for that. But when I seen the Swan method and how seamless it looked and, you know, just all of your posts, you couldn't tell. It looks like it's growing out of the head. It's quick. It looks so good. Like I said, it looks like it's growing from the scalp and it's affordable. And I also like the fact that it's online.
Puedo notar mucha diferencia porque lo he usado en mi cabello y cuando usamos el método que ella tiene es mucho más como el pelo real de uno.
For me, like Swan method is game changing. Like the time, how it blends in, how it's like it's so unseen, like so flexible, and the time like to install it makes a huge difference. Like I used to spend way more time to do one row. So for me, you know, like in our industry, time is money. So I can think it's game changing.
How seamless it is. Showing them the difference between what's out there and what's on their head. And the fact that when I'm sewing, they're like, Leda, I can't even feel this. Like, it's not painful. It's perfect. They're just like, this is amazing. It looks like it's growing from my head. You don't see those stitches. You don't have them coming in saying, my sides are falling out, you know? And it's just, I don't know, they're just like shocked.